About us. Sure Origin Group is a 17 years leading and professional manufacturer in rubber waste recycling and electronic waste recycling machines. We have R&D department, international market department and national market department, production team, after sales service department. We have running machine in Moradabad, India and in Anyang City, Hunan, China. Welcome you visit our running machines. We have 2 workshops, focus on self-design and manufacturing, which make our machines much more cost-efficient and competitive. Here is our technician department. Our main business scope. Lithium battery recycling plant. Mainly recovers metal and black powder on the cathode and anode plates of the battery. Application raw material. Soft package lithium battery, hard shell lithium battery, positive and negative plates etc. Aluminum and copper wire recycling machine is used to recycle copper cable scrap and aluminum cable scraps and copper wires to get pure copper particles and plastic particles. PCB circuit board recycling machine is used to separate metals and non-metals from waste circuit boards. Aluminum plastic separation machine is used to separate aluminum powder and plastics powder from aluminum plastics composite plate and medical packages. Air-conditioned radiator copper aluminum separator machine function. Air-conditioned radiator copper aluminum separator is used to separate aluminum, copper and iron from waste radiators air conditioner radiators. Air-conditioned radiator copper aluminum separator is low investment high profit project, environmental friendly project. Automatic motor stator recycling machine is used for motor stator cutting and stripping copper from iron/aluminum cover.
Hi, myself Manish Doda from India. I have bought 100 kg to 150 kg per hour copper wire machine from Sure Origin Group. They supplied me very fast and machines run well. I have met them in 2015, first time, and I visited their factory 5 times in next 3 years. Until now, I have bought many machines from them. They are good peoples and professionals. I hope they can make good business and big success.
With decades of years development, Sure Origin Group have installed machines for over 30 countries including Germany, USA, India, Pakistan, Colombia, Mexico, Thailand, Greece, South Korea, Japan, Vietnam.